Welcome to all. In today's video, I will be discussing about the introduction to Internet of Things. This is Sharat Kyar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SDMIT, Ujjain. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is influencing our lifestyle from the way we react to the way we behave. From air conditioners that you can control with your smartphones, to the smart cars providing the shortest route, or your smartwatch which is tracking your daily activities. What is IoT? Coming to the definition part, IoT is basically a giant network of various devices that are connected to each other, and these devices are connected in order to gather the data and share the data among themselves so that the data could be used to perform some useful tasks. The devices could be basically embedded with a thing which is called as sensors. So sensors could be found in every physical device. It could be a mobile phone, or it could be various electrical appliances, vehicles, barcode sensors, traffic lights, and almost everything that we can see or come across in our day-to-day life. So these sensors continuously emit data about the working state of the devices. But the important question is that how is this data collected and where is this data stored? And how do we use this data to our benefit? So IoT provides a common platform for all these devices in order to dump their data, and a common language for all the devices in order to communicate with respect to each other. The data is emitted from various sensors, and then it is sent to the IoT platform in order to aggregate all this data, and upon aggregating, appropriate analytics is being performed so that the valuable information is being extracted, and finally the result is shared with other devices in order to make better decisions to help the people to make their life much simpler. Now let us look at an example scenario where IoT is doing wonders. Considering an AC manufacturing company, so both the manufacturing machine and the belt have been embedded with a lot of sensors. So they continuously send the data regarding the machine and the machine health and the production that helps the manufacturer in order to identify the issues well before, so that they can take appropriate actions in order to avoid problems. Moving further, a barcode is also attached to each of the product that is being produced before leaving the belt. So this also helps the manufacturer in order to identify where the product was distributed, and it also gives an insight for the manufacturer whether the product is running out of stock, so that he can decide in order to do the productions further. Let us consider another major domain in the field of IoT, wherein IoT is playing a major role. So let us consider the scenario of IoT in the field of agriculture. So let us consider some specific applications. So coming to the first one, where IoT is doing wonders, is smart chicken farming. So chickens need a specific temperature and may die because of this issue. So it becomes more important in order to feed chickens with relevant temperature. So manually doing this job becomes hectic for farmers. So continuously monitoring the temperature is the most important issue. So this could be done by embedding a lot of sensors that could help farmers in maintaining these chickens. So one another field is smart irrigation, wherein it helps the farmers in monitoring the water needed to grow plants. Since water is a scarce resource, it should be used in the most effective way. And it's not freely available, so effectively using water becomes so important. So of course, there are many other fields where IoT plays a major role, which is making our human life much simpler. Of course, we have discussed a very few. So overall, IoT has become the most important ingredient that could be used in almost all activities of human life. Thank you.